Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a generous old man named Elias. Elias was known far and wide for his kindness and selflessness. Despite having very little himself, he was always willing to share whatever he had with those in need. One chilly autumn evening, as the leaves danced in the wind and the scent of wood smoke hung in the air, Elias sat by the fireplace in his cozy cottage, sipping on a cup of hot tea. Just as he was about to settle in for the night, there came a timid knock on his door. Opening the door, Elias found a young traveler standing on his doorstep, shivering from the cold. The traveler explained that he had lost his way in the forest and had been wandering for hours, desperately searching for shelter. Without hesitation, Elias welcomed the traveler into his home, offering him a warm meal and a comfortable bed for the night. Grateful for Elias's kindness, the traveler thanked him profusely and promised to repay his generosity someday. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, Elias continued to live his life with an open heart, always ready to lend a helping hand to those in need. And true to his nature, the more he gave, the more he seemed to receive in return. One day, while tending to his garden, Elias stumbled upon a small, shimmering stone buried beneath the soil. Intrigued by its beauty, he carefully unearthed it and brought it inside to examine more closely. Little did he know, this seemingly ordinary stone held a secret power, a power that would change his life forever. As Elias held the stone in his hand, he felt a warm, tingling sensation course through his body. Suddenly, he was overcome with a sense of clarity and purpose, as if all the answers to life's mysteries had been revealed to him in an instant. With the stone by his side, Elias's acts of kindness seemed to multiply tenfold. He helped his neighbors mend their fences, tended to the sick and elderly, and even went out of his way to befriend